Meal prepping isn't just for dinner. Make breakfast a breeze by meal prepping the night before. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today, I'll show you how to meal prep smoothie bags in advance for a smooth sailing breakfast. Fuel up with my sweet and creamy berry cauliflower smoothie. To get started, we're going to freeze as many fruits and veggies ahead of time as we can. In a 1-quart resealable plastic freezer bag, place a half cup of Hy-Vee frozen rice cauliflower, 1 12-ounce package of Hy-Vee frozen berry medley, half of a white dragon fruit, peeled and chopped, a half cup of Hy-Vee frozen avocado chunks, and 1 tablespoon of Full Circle Market organic chia seeds. Seal the bag and place in the freezer. This should stay usable for up to 3 months. The fiber in the berries will help you feel satisfied longer and help promote balanced blood sugar levels and cholesterol. When you're ready, place the frozen ingredients in a high-powered blender. Break up the frozen mixture and add in 1.5 cups of Full Circle Market Original Oat non-dairy beverage, plus 1 tablespoon of Hy-Vee almond butter. Cover and blend until smooth, while slowly adding enough water to reach your desired consistency. After it's well blended, you're ready to serve. With Hy-Vee's virtual freezer meal prep workshops, you can prepare 5 freezer meals to feed 4 to 6 people in under an hour. Build tasty, healthy meals that you can prep now and cook later. Sign up on Hy-Vee.com/health. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow your favorite Hy-Vee dietitians now on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Health.